Welcome, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and in this video I will show you what to do if your microphone isn't working correctly on this tablet. So first of all, check the microphones of your tablet first. They are located at the top edge of your tablet next to the volume keys. As you can see, these two holes at the top of your tablet, those are both your microphones, so check if they're not clogged. And I don't think that you can safely clean these ports, but they can hardly be clogged actually. But if you have a non-metallic tool that you are sure that will not break, then you can try to unclog them by using this tool. And try checking your microphone in the recorder app. So to find it, slide down the search field on your home screen, then search for recorder, open it, agree, then press this icon to start recording, and then start speaking into your microphones. You can try to actually speak directly into them in order to get the better sound. Then once you're ready, you can stop the test recording and you can try to play it and listen to it. And if you cannot hear anything, then try in order to get the better sound. Then once you're ready, try increasing the sound level by pressing the volume up key. And if you still cannot hear yourself, go to settings, then go to sound and vibration settings, select show more, and manually increase the level of the music, videos and games by moving this slider to the right. Then again, try recording a sample, start recording and then start speaking, and check if you can hear yourself now. And if you cannot hear yourself, then try entering the safe mode so that we know that we'll know for sure that there are no third-party applications that are using your microphone in the background. So to do that, hold down the power button for a while until you see this screen, then press the restart button until you see this icon, tap on it, tap OK, and then wait until your tablet is restarted. Once your tablet is restarted, you can open the recorder app again. So open recorder and then try to make another sample recording. Okay, so test recording, the second one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then try listening to another sample recording. Okay, and I can hear myself clearly, but again, if you cannot hear yourself, then try go through the previous troubleshooting steps, like increasing your sound volume, either using your volume buttons or manually in the sound settings. Then you can, if it didn't help, then the last solution that I have for you is rebooting your device into the normal mode by pressing the power button for a while, selecting restart once again, and then again wait until your device is restarted, and then we'll try to update software on your tablet, and hopefully that will help. Now once your tablet is restarted, go to settings, make sure that you have internet connection. So slide down the control center, turn off the airplane mode, tap Wi-Fi icon and connect to the network if you aren't connecting automatically. Let's select the network from the list and let me enter the password real quick. Once you enter the password, click connect. And now that you are connected, go to the system and update section. In your settings, go to software update, tap check for updates, and if there are any updates to install, then take your time, download and install them, and then try repeating the process, and hopefully everything will start working for you right now. And that's all I wanted to mention in this video. I hope that it helped you with your issue, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.